Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we can put about v equals to y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and that is about 2y dy over dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. Now, this one we change for v. 2y dy over dx we change by dv over dx. Next, this one I will put on the right, and now we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by x. Next, we have v, and first derivative of v. This is about linear differential equation. So I will put about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we have 3 over s with the positive next to v. This is for integrating factor. The integration of 3 over s, we have 3f and s. Later that, we put number 3 go inside about natural law in here. And we have s to the power of 3. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have 3s squared. This one that is about s squared. So we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to 8b. So the integration of that one, we have vs to the power of 3. Now, we need to focus on this one. So I just focus this one only, not negative side in here. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2x dx dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration 2s e to the power of s ds. Now we can use another integration by pass again. So that should be about s. And this one we have number 1. So I will put number 2 go outside. So the integration of this one, that is about u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration e to the power of s ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and I will put about c. Now we need to return back to this one. So this one, that is about this one, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. Next, we need to simplify. Negative will change the sign of this one and this one. So number 2 multiplied by this one. Now I will put everything go to the left, and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.